Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide folders on your computer. This method applies to both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So I have here this folder and I want to hide it from the desktop. When you hide folders from the desktop, it means they won't be displayed to other users unless you unhide them or you show them. So I want to hide this folder, and if I open it, you can see it contains other folders as well. So I want to hide them all together. Now to hide the folder, right click on it and then scroll down to properties, and from properties you'll get to this dialog box. Look for the hidden attribute and click on it. So I've clicked, and once you have clicked on it, click on apply, and you have to choose whether you just want to hide this folder only or as well as with subfolders. If we select the second option, it will hide this folder with subfolders and files in it. Click on it, then select OK, and now select OK here. Now if we go to Explorer and then select on View and uncheck the hidden items as it appears here, and then go back, you realize our folder has disappeared from the desktop. So that's how you hide a folder. Now that you have hidden the folder, how do you unhide it, or how do you show it back or bring it back to your desktop to display it? Now to show your hidden files, go to Explorer and from here select View, then check the hidden items and then go back and see if your folder is available. Now as you can see, the folder is here, but it appears as if it is empty and it can't be used in this status because we have not finalized the steps of making it active. Now you further need to go and click on it and select on properties and uncheck the hidden mark. After this, click on apply, click on OK, and then finally OK. And now you can see the folder is active and even the subfolders can be seen. Now if we go ahead and open it, we can see all the subfolders and the files that it contains. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Now for more interesting tech tips, watch the next video.